Hey everyone, welcome back. Let's be honest, learning Power BI can feel like a marathon, not a sprint. Have you ever thought, why does this tool feel so overwhelming? It's just data visualization, but then you dive in and there is DAX, Power Query, relationships, reports, and suddenly your head is spinning. Today we're breaking down why learning Power BI can feel exhausting and more importantly, how to make it easier and more enjoyable. Stick around for some tips that will save you time and frustration. So why does Power BI have such a steep learning curve? Here are some of the main reasons. It's not just a visualization tool. At first glance, Power BI looks like a simple drag and drop tool, but soon you realize it is also a data preparation tool with Power Query, a modeling platform with relationships, hierarchies, calculated columns, measures, a language environment for DAX formulas. It's like trying to learn Excel, SQL, and reporting tool all at the same time. DAX is its own beast, DAX, which is the abbreviation to data analysis expression, can feel like Excel on steroids, but with way more rules. Functions like calculate, filter, and all can confuse even experienced Excel users. Example, you write a measure and instead of getting a number, you get a blank screen. Frustrating, right? We have also too many features. Power BI is constantly evolving with new features added every month. This makes it, powerful, but also overwhelming for beginners who don't know where to start. Also, we have the lack of guidance. Many beginners don't know the right order to learn things. Should you start with visuals? Should you start with data modeling? Should we start with DAX? Without a roadmap, it's easy to get stuck in Google and YouTube mode for hours. Now, before you give up, let's talk about why Power BI is worth the effort. First, the high demand. Power BI skills are in huge demand across industries. Second, the versatility. Once you master it, you can create dashboards, automate reports, and even transform messy data. And the third thing is it's a career growth. Many data professionals say that learning Power BI opened doors to better opportunities. So yes, it's a challenge, but the payoff is massive. Okay, let's get to the good stuff now. How to make learning Power BI less exhausting. First, you need to follow a learning path. You need to start with visualization basics, learn how to create simple charts and KPIs. Then move to data modeling and understand, relationships and hierarchies. And finally, you need also to tackle DAX. You need to focus on common functions like sum, average, calculate before diving into advanced stuff. Okay? The second point here is to focus on real projects. Don't just watch tutorials. For example, build a sales dashboard using sample datasets like those from Microsoft. And the third point here is to use the right resources. Microsoft's Power BI documentation is a great for official tutorials. YouTube channels also like Guy in Cube and Kerbal or others can simplify complex concepts. And you need also to practice, different platform sites like Kaggle or public Power BI challenges can give you hands-on practice. The fourth point is to learn how to troubleshoot. Okay, Power BI's error messages aren't always helpful, so practice debugging and trying to find the cause, right? The cause of the error. Use tools like Performance Analyzer to understand what's slowing down your reports. The fifth point here is to join a community. The Power BI community is amazing. Reddit, for example, LinkedIn groups, and forums can connect you with people who have been with where you are. Remember, every expert you see started where you are now, confused and overwhelmed. The key is to focus on progress, not on perfection, okay? And if you are struggling with something specific in Power BI, drop it in the comments, okay? I'll do my best to help, or maybe even make a video on it. So is Power BI exhausting to learn? Yes, but only if you try to learn everything at once. With the right approach, you can make it manageable and even fun. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon for more tips on mastering data tools like Power BI. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and remember, you've got this.